What is going on there, NFL Rivals content viewers? Today it is the best day of the week, Saturday. It is early, it's 10 a.m., and today we're going to be doing a screen pass opening. So for that, I'll go into the special offers. To acting funny. Maybe that's a good thing. I don't know why the screen was tilting. It normally doesn't do that. Okay, that is a card that I don't have. That is a great pull to get. I mean, this card is actually, he cost, most likely, it's not letting me tap on him. He probably cost around $1.30. So I just paid $3 for him. I got some bonus points, which are really not worth it, but you're getting an opportunity at a free legendary, or a legendary at a cost that's less than what it's worth. Going in, we'll just go ahead and we'll take some bonus points, and then we're gonna get one more player today real quick, as fast as possible. So bonus briefcases, go into the store, and I'm going to purchase O-line Aaron Banks. And then to craft that, you just go into your inventory, player additions. All right, well, that is processing. That is going to do it, though. Aaron Banks, Green Bay Packers. Thank you very much. Have a great day.